Here's our weekly flower arrangement today mga katusok for Almalca Law Firm Office. And yung isa namang arrangement is sa bahay po ng taga Almalca or yung CEO ng Almalca. Ilalagay doon sa bahay yung isang vase arrangement. So, our flowers composed today mga katusok. We have here, so bago pa lang yan, chinat ko muna yung CEO kasi yung CEO nag-aantay tayo ng confirmation kung magpapagawa pa ba sila ng arrangement for this week. So later, isusunod natin mga katusok. And ito pala ang Almalca Law Firm Office. So dalawang vase ang ginagawa natin today. And our flowers here, we have lilies. And we have also this local, it's not local chrysanthemum, it's a Holland chrysanthemum. And we have also the statis purple. And we have the hypericum berries na red. So hinaluan din natin dyan, dinagdagan natin ng another white hypericum berries. And pati yung white na statis. So, wala po tayong hydrangea. Kulang yung hydrangea natin. So, yan lang muna ang dadamihan natin ng flowers. Yung ating statis. So, may statis naman tayo dyan. Dalawang kulay na statis na flowers. Purple and white statis. And of course, so, ilagyan natin ng roscus leaves mga katusok. And that would be cover for the kachismisan, yung mga kitang-kita sa foam. So ayan po yung pinaka-final natin na arrangement sa weekly ng ating Almalca Law Firm Office. So sa gusto pong magpapagawa ng mga weekly flowers for your offices, for your event, so kindly DM or PM to my Facebook page. Pwede rin po kayo magpapagawa ng bouquet at ipapadeliver natin. So that would be the final for Almalca. And now, let's proceed ng ating CEO for the another company. So, CEO lang ang gagawin natin mga katusok kasi yung dalawang reception gagawin din doon sa kasama ko. So, actually, 5 vase na talaga ang gagawin natin every week for our contract sa mga dalawang company. And this is for the CEO of this White & Case Law Firm Office sa King Abdullah Financial District. So, ito po yung flowers niya today. We have the statis and gumamit po tayo ng protea or brusca. Then we have also the silver brunnea and eustoma. And gumamit din po tayo ng craspedia, yung dilaw na ball. And we have also the conifer leaves, yung parang Christmas tree na dahon. So conifer leaf po ang tawag dyan mga katusok. And dumagdag po tayo ng isang hydrangea na blue. So, matibay na hydrangea po yan. So, mas magandang variety na yan. And ito na po yung pinaka-final ng ating CEO Law Firm Office. So, thank you for watching mga katusok. To God be the glory. Shukran!